Alrighty guys, so hi John, we're back with your Imperial. It's got a little bit of a wash. I didn't use any soap, I kind of just watered it down. I'll do a little bit of a better job. Just want to get some of the dirt, but as you can see, your top is looking a lot better. I need to get more in some spots, but remember, it's a very old top, so it's not going to be perfect. But as you can see, in some spots, it's a lot better. I got just a little more scrubbing to do. It got a little too hot, so I'll probably do it tomorrow morning or Monday morning. But yeah, and then the second thing is yesterday, Scotty and I, we repaired or armrest thing, pocket, whatever you want to call it. So I made this little bracket here and riveted it. Scotty was gonna do bolts, but I suggested rivets because it's a lot slimmer. With bolts, you'd have a really thick bolt head, and it'd probably be a little difficult. And then also on this corner, what Scotty did, he made this L bracket, and then I'll probably end up trimming the excess right there because that might cause clearance issues for us. We'll have to see. I was going to throw this together, but being completely honest, I have not taken one of these door panels apart since last summer when we were going through and fixing your windows, and I don't remember how any of it goes. So I'm going to leave it for Scotty to do probably Monday because he's not here today. He's out. And I just completely don't remember how it goes. It's been so long. It's been, I think, over a year since I've taken one of these apart, and I just don't remember. So I'm going to get this all put away, and then maybe tonight, if I'm here when the sun goes down and it gets cooler, I'll give your car and top a good thorough wash. So that's all I have for you today. And sorry for the lack of videos yesterday. But that arm piece is done. Wherever, oh, it's done there. That's what I was. But yeah, it's done for a lot cheaper than a new one. Scotty said it was like $700 for a new one. So you have definitely saved a lot of money on that. Not bad.